I'm sure you've heard the news. Your 4Runner's backup camera isn't working, and you're wondering why. Let's dive in and fix it. First things first, make sure your car is safely parked and the engine is off. Safety first, always. Now, let's troubleshoot. Step 1. Check the fuse. Open the fuse box and locate the backup camera fuse. If it's blown, replace it. Simple, right? Step 2. Inspect the wiring. Follow the wires from the camera to the car. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you see anything suspicious, you might need a professional. Step 3. Clean the camera lens. Dirt or grime can mess with the image. Give it a good wipe with a soft cloth. Step 4. Check the settings. Go into your car's settings and make sure the camera is turned on. Sometimes it's as easy as a tap on the screen. If none of these steps work, it might be time to visit a mechanic. But hey, you've done your best, and that's what counts. So next time your backup camera acts up, you know what to do. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and happy driving.